Go. All right, guys. Remember, the more we get done in class, the less homework. All right, so let's take a look at number 7. It said, how many games or roles had a sum less than 8? Did anybody finish that off for me? How many were there? 21? Anybody else agree with 21? No? What did you get? 20. Let me count. All right, here we go. Watch me count. Let's see if I'm good at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There we have it. 21. All right. You must have missed something, but that's okay. All right. Style. I want to make it darker so we can see it. 21. That's what I got. 21. All right. Now, does everybody see how I'm trying to show you how to write out patterns? Do we agree? Yeah. Right. You got to work things out. You're not going to just get the answer. Math, you're getting a little bit harder. You can't just say that's the answer. You got to work at it a little bit. All right. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All right. Oh, Luca. Gotcha. All right. Here we go. Number 8. Anybody have a problem like I don't know how to do number 8? Anybody? What was it? 635. Anybody else put 635? Everybody almost. That's a good job. 630? 645. Okay, so I'm happy with this. All right, so let's again practice writing things out. Today's lesson's kind of easy, so we should be good with this. All right, remember, it's not something to say, okay, that's the answer. All right, you got to be there by what time? 7:30. All right. So now, in my opinion, he needs 30 minutes to shower and dress, right? So I count back 30 minutes, correct? Yeah. So that's going to be at what time? 7. All right. He needs 15 minutes for breakfast. So that's going to pull me back to what? 6:45. 10 minutes to walk to the bus stop. So if he doesn't leave by 6:35, if he doesn't get up by 6:35, he will not be successful. Do we all agree with that now? All right, if you got that one right, listen, seriously. All right, you're starting to look and learn how to work backwards. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. All right, if you made a mistake, you just watched how we did it. All right, let's talk about number 9. What are we up on number 9? Tell me. Yeah. What'd you get? Be proud. Listen, guys, I'm trying to teach you. Be proud of even your mistakes. If you're just sitting here going, I don't know, and I'm not trying, and I read something, I'm going, oh, I don't know, then you're not learning anything. If you put 10 million down, be proud of that. I don't care if you got it wrong. All right, at least you're trying to learn how to think better. All right, it's hard to think. That's why they pay you the big bucks. All right, when you paid to think. All right, what did you get? 8,100. What about you? 16,200. Good. Wow, 7,100. Does everybody? Kellen? 9,800. See, that's why I'm trying to tell you guys. You know, you're sitting there like, oh my gosh, I didn't know how to do it. Look what everybody else did. How many right answers are there? One. All right, so far we got a whole bunch of kind of different answers. What? 8,000. 8,000. Oh, so I got 8,400. Good. Or who else? Mr. Aber. 16,200. 16. Oh, we got another one there. Oh, I got 3 of those. 4 of those. 5 of those. Uh-oh. The answer for sure is 8,103. I like that answer for sure. Someone else. That's it, right? All right. Now, the ultimate authority will give you the answer. That would be me. Here it goes. Let's work backwards. All right. Now, come on. Again, it doesn't matter. Remember, try. You got to try. So here we go. Let's see. Get all that out of the way for a second. And let's see what we got here. It says, Mr. and Mrs. whoever own an equal number of shares of stock. Mr. sells 1/3 of his shares for $2,700. What was the total value of the stock before the sale? So here we go. Here is all of my stocks. Now, please look up and watch how I'm trying to show you how to think about this. All right, does everybody agree this represents all of my stock, correct? Now, please look up on the board. Your brain should easily be able to do this. All right, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to take this and I'm going to try to do, that's not a good color. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do this. What does it look like, or what did I try to do there? Nope. What did I try to do? I made it into thirds. Come on now. Does everybody agree with that? That's all my stock. Everybody should be able to say, well, I sold a third, right? So 1/3 of the stock, this portion I just sold for how much money? $2,700. Everybody agree with that? So what do you think this third is worth? Because they're the same. Hey, Kellen, I'm still working. Hey, boys, we're on the board. All right, we're not interrupting class. This third is worth how much? 2,700. How many thirds do I have? 3, right? So how would I calculate the total worth? 2,700 times 3, or I could just say 2,700 plus 2,700 plus 2,700. Is everybody with me on that? Now, I'm telling you, I'm not expecting you to know how to do that. I'm expecting you to draw little pictures, and then your brain starts making some observations, and then it's easy to see 2,700 times 3. And so that's obviously 8,100. So if you got 8,100, I'm proud of you. All right, now you see what I'm saying, right? I'm not expecting you to know how to do that. And there's going to be things you don't know. All right, as soon as you start to draw pictures, your brain starts making connections. But if you never try and just go, I don't know how to do it, and go on to the next problem, that's not helping. All right, draw things out. All right, here we go. Did I ask you to do number 10? Did I ask you to do number 10?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. The 3 counters shown in the table are used for a board game. If the counters are tossed, how many ways can at least one counter with side A occur? What did we say? What did you think?
I did so basically just 2.
No. I want you to tell me what your answer is. 1/3. So how many ways can at least one counter with side A occur? What did you get? 2. What did you get? 1. What did you get? 2. What did you get? 3. Anybody else? Brave. 3. What did you get, Sarah? 1, 3, 1, 2. Man, what? 1. What did you get? 6. Be proud. Be proud. 6. Good for you.
4.
Brooklyn thinks 4. Good. Somebody else? 2. Good. 1, 2. Right. You can't be successful if you don't try. All right. Now I have no idea. I barely even understood what the question said. So I'm going to move this out of the way and let's see who's brilliant. All right. Counter 1 has side A and B. It's kind of like a what? What else would, if there's 2 sides, what has 2 sides? What else has a common thing that has 2 sides? Coin, right. We could say it like it's like a coin, right? We flip a side. Side 1 could be what? Side 2 could be what? Tails, or A and B, right? So here's what we got now. We have the 3 counters. Hold this. The 3 counters shown in the table are used for a board game. If the counters are tossed, how many ways can at least one counter come side with A? Now, does everybody agree I have 3 of them, right? Right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to write out the pattern. All right. So I have, here we go. So I want everybody, when I throw it, I'm going to have 3 outcomes. Does everybody agree with that? So I'm going to have this. I want everybody to do this. Boom. Man, this is going to be kind of tricky, but that's okay. All right. Now, Actually, what I want to do is I want to erase this piece right here. All right, I want to do this. And this will be counter one. This is what I want, right? Everybody do this. Counter one for me. And I have how many choices for counter one? 2. So I want everybody to do this right here and right here. And what are my 2 choices? A and B. Please pay attention because this is really helpful for organizing your brain. All right, this is helpful for organizing your brain. I can pick A and B. Do we agree with that? Right. Now I need everybody to say the next one is counter 2. Do we agree? Right. Now for counter 2, I have A and C. Do we agree? So watch me. I'm going to come over here and here. I'm going to put an A and a C. And then B, I can do what? A and C, right? So this is counter 2. And now what's the next one? Counter 3, right? So counter 3, I can toss a what? B or a what? Over here, B, C. Over here, what? And over here, what? Does everybody agree with that? All right. This is called a tree diagram. That's why when people can rattle things off, they're doing a tree diagram in their head. All right. And you're like, how do you keep all that data organized? Here's how you do it. All right. So if I throw it the first time, now watch me, please. Look up. The first time I toss it, I'm going to get an A, B. Does everybody agree with that? Watch me do the tree. A, B. Now, the next time, I'm going to get A, what? C. Look at that. A, C. The next time I toss it, I go down a different branch. This time I'm going A, C, then what? B. A, uh-oh, that's bad. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. That's going to be an A, then a what? C, then a B, right? And then my next branch is going to be what? Who said that? Good job. Thank you. A, C, C. Am I done with that branch completely? All right. Now, let's try. Kellen, can you give me the new branch? What are we going to do? B. No. Who wants to help him? Tell us. Good for you. B first, because we're going to follow the branches. That's nice. B. Sarah, do you know what we're going next? BAC, right? Now remember, listen to me, guys. I'm always trying to be serious with trying to teach you and trying to help you. All right. So if you don't know, I can't help you because I can't individually come around and say, do you understand? Right? There's nothing to worry about if you can say, I don't understand what you're saying. Do a better job. All right. You can tell me that. I don't take offense by that. All right. I'm trying to help you. If you don't even want to help yourself, how can I help you? All right. So you got to learn to speak up. Now, you said to me, BAC. Agreed? All right. Come on now. BAC. Who's going to do the next one? Tell me.
BCB.
You are amazing. Thank you for listening. BCB. And my final one. Jackson, go ahead. BCC. Beautiful. That's exactly correct. Now let's read it. How many ways can at least one counter with side A occur? How many? 6 is the answer. Who said 6? You are awesome, buddy. That's amazing. You're 1 out of the whole class got that right. Feels good to be you. 6. What? Who did? Oh, whoa. Sorry. Now look, I'm here. No, right here. Look what happened. Stop. Look up at my answer. See this right here? I had it right here, so I didn't see that. So you're right. We had 2 people. Thank you. 2 people said 6. Congratulations. Great job, buddy. Seriously. Great. Very good. That was a hard one. I'm not going to lie. That was a hard one. We're going to spend some time doing what's called tree diagrams, and tree diagrams help your brain get organized. All right.
I saw the chart and I just wrote out
All the possible combinations. That's good. I'm glad. All right, here we go. Let's knock out 11 real quick. All right. Now, please, come on, people. This person had the same number of quarters and dimes and nickels. In all, he has $4 and change. He has the same amount of coins. What are we thinking?
I got X equals 10 of each one.
10 of each? Is that correct? What did you get? 8 of each. I like that. So 10/8. Somebody else. Come on.
10, 8.
8. So I've got an argument between 10 and 8. Tell them.
10.
Oh, that's definitely 10. Uh-oh.
10.
10.
10.
10. All right. So let's see if we're right. I have quarters, I have dimes, and I have nickels. All right. Let's start with 10 to see if that person's right. If I have 10 quarters, how much money is that?
250.
250. If I have 10 dimes,
That is $1.
$1. If I have 10 nickels,
That's 50.
50 cents. $3, $4. Don't worry, don't worry. All right. Okay, is everybody good with that? All right, here we go. Now I'm going to pause for a second.